obviously we've made a film with all our heart. और बाकी ऑडियंस डिसाइड करेगी हम क्या बोलेंगे.
A lot of songs in the film that we probably haven't heard. ये मैं दोनों करती हूँ, प्लान भी करती हूँ, चौपट भी करती हूँ.
अरे वाह. जोरदार. वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम टू दिल्ली. पूरी दुनिया घूम करके, पूरे भारत में घूम करके, कॉकटेल टू अप लेस देन 24 hours away. इनकी नर्वसनेस और एक्साइटमेंट तो अलग है, बट बिफोर एनीथिंग एल्स आई वांट टू आस्क यू गाइस, समटाइम्स व्हेन यू गेट सो क्लोज टू अ प्रोजेक्ट, रोज बात हो रही है, रोज डांस कर रहे हैं, रोज कुछ बाहर निकल रहा है, 24 hours and it's in theaters. Kriti, any nerves at all?
This is where I won't be able to act, to be honest. Very, very nervous. In fact, just anxious and excited. Butterflies in my tummy and everywhere. And I think we were just talking right now, Rashmika and me, that, you know, it's now finally just going to be out there. The baby is going to be out there. It's going to be delivered for you guys to watch. And
बस ये बेबी पूरी दुनिया देखने वाली है. Normally babies जो होते हैं सिर्फ हमारी फैमिली देखती है.
Exactly.
So this will be slightly different.
Yeah. But it's very, very special, this film.
Yeah.
And I think I'm also simultaneously feeling like, you know, when you're letting go of something and it's now going to be in the hands of the audiences, and with that, the nostalgia and the emotion of this family that I've had for the past few months, and just the energy of everyone that we've cherished. So I'm really also looking forward to watching the film with the team of Cocktail too.
ये तो आज होने वाली है. So that'll be amazing.
हाँ.
Rashmika, let's say a big round of applause for her, है ना? The cutest superstar, box office का टप्पा लग जाता है. You know, a lot of the times it's like a sportsman, you know, doing very well. लेकिन every time you step on the field, you have to perform over there. So then you have to forget कि पीछे क्या हुआ है. You know, I know that she's feeling nervous, of course. But every actor does also on that one day. Even though you haven't had any kind of situation जहाँ तुम्हें तो 30-40 करोड़ का मतलब ही नहीं पता है, उसमें सिर्फ एक zero ऐड हो जाता है. So I want to understand this. Sometimes the fun can be there inside, but of the three, in your understanding, who's the most nervous? Of the three of you, don't look there. Just look straight at me and them. Who's the most nervous?
First of all, guys, hi everyone. Thank you for coming in. So lovely to see all of you. Right now, I feel like my ground is shaking. Like, I don't know. It really is. Okay, because I thought it was just in my head.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is everything shaking right now? Are we okay? But the nervousness is real. It's not very often that I feel very nervous during the release, because I'm someone who's, you know, as long as my team is happy, if all of, like the whole team is happy and excited, I'm just someone who's like, okay, you're happy, I'm happy.
Right.
And with this film, I know that everyone is happy, but there is one full nervousness happening. So it's one of my first times, so I'm trying to cope up with it. Like Prithu said, I don't think we can act right now. The only place we can't act. So this is us, guys.
I like it. The butterflies for the first time for Rashmika.
One
of the first. With him, I don't understand only. I'm new nervous ever.
Even I don't understand myself. It's
Ever.
fine. Nobody understands.
But शायद is somebody, you know, इतने सालों से हम इनको देखते आए हैं. Incredible, you know. एक भी ऐसी चीज नहीं है शायद के बाल तक, दाढ़ी के बाल भी इतने परफेक्ट लगते हैं हर बार. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद पहले हेलो बोल लो सबको. They've all been waiting so much for you, and then we'll come into this little chit chat between us.
Hello, everybody. We are very, very excited and happy to be here. Love to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming today evening. आज हमारा officially we are allowed to be nervous and anxious and stressed today because कल film release होने वाली है. So thank you so much for sharing this evening with us, and we're very happy to be here in Delhi where I was born. It's always amazing. मैं आते हुए love you too. Thank you so much. मैं आते हुए actually I was talking to my manager and I was telling her when I was 17 years old, I think तब प्रिया नया खुला था.
Correct.
है ना? और तब मैंने यहाँ पे मिशन इम्पॉसिबल आके अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ देखी थी. मैंने उसको बोला था यार एक दिन अगर मैं एक्टर बन गया तो मेरी पिक्चर भी यहाँ लगेगी. So it's so nice to be back here. Almost.
बस लेकिन निरुलास अब हट गया है और TGF हट गया है, वो दोनों हट गए हैं.
तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Everything looks very nice and new and lovely.
Yeah.
मजा आ रहा है.
But मैं भी nostalgia में घुसा हुआ था वहाँ पे, and come in and see. It's amazing to see actually even your growth, Shahid. You've done so wonderfully well for yourself and you're such an inspiration for so many people. लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है ना, एक 12 बजे on the day of release से एक अलग फील आती है. Are you a numbers guy now? कभी numbers के बारे में सोचते हो?
सबको पता है यार आजकल. I don't think I am a numbers guy. She is a number. I think everybody is a numbers guy. I think you know what's going on, and numbers are always relevant and on top of everybody's mind these days. So that's the truth. There's nothing you can do to run
So
away
there are lots of
from.
WhatsApps that कल 12-2 बजे होंगी. About कितना हुआ है, कैसा हुआ है, how is it going, how is it trending, वो सब होता है.
ऑलरेडी शुरू हो जाता है ना वो, जैसे आप एडवांस बुकिंग खोलते हो
Correct.
वो शुरू हो जाता है. फिर बुक माई शो पे हाउ मेनी टिकट्स पर आवर यू आर सेलिंग, वो सब एवरीबॉडी नोज. एवरीबॉडी नोज.
Which by the way, advance booking is doing very well. यहाँ पे कितने कितने लोगों ने एडवांस बुकिंग की अभी तक? Very good. और बाकी सब ने जो हाथ खड़ा नहीं किया अभी, वो भी खड़ा होना चाहिए शाम तक, है ना, इसके बाद. Well done sir, बहुत बढ़िया. So little chit chat about you guys of course, but मुझे ये भी पूछना है, you know, when the three of you all were shooting, कुछ ऐसे आपके कैरेक्टर्स के भी सवाल करेंगे. Who was the most naughtiest on the set with the three of you all? सबसे naughty कौन था?
होमी अदजानी.
अच्छा, the director.
हमारे डायरेक्टर सबसे ज्यादा नॉटी थे. Yeah, I think none of us actually beat him. He's just full of energy and just he has this thing about himself that he makes everyone feel like a unit and everyone just feels really easy. And the kind of film that we were making was just happy and it needed that energy. And I think he just got the chill in everyone.
And also when there was something emotional happening, he'd be the first one to cry.
Really?
Yeah, he would just.
You saw
tear
Homie
up.
cry?
No, he would just be like coming and saying.
Maybe he just didn't like the shot.
No. I don't think that is. He's just a very emotional person. So.
And he's really reliving Cocktail again. Because उसके लिए obviously, you know,
वो इतना इमोशनल है कि वो आने वाला था यहाँ पे. वो भी यहाँ है, लव भी यहाँ है, डीनू भी यहाँ है, बट तीनों ने बोला हम बहुत इमोशनल है, तुम लोग जाओ संभाल लो. So they didn't
नहीं
come
वो
here
स्क्रीनिंग को
also.
हैंडल कर रहे हैं, जो उसके बाद जो स्क्रीनिंग होने वाली
नहीं,
है.
actually because you know the technical team is working till the last minute, you know, to get the film and to take it in the best possible way to the audience. So I think they're all very tired, and now we're all going to see the film soon together, and we're all just very happy as a family to experience this film together. That's I think what we're very very excited about and looking forward to.
लोग को लगता है ना पिक्चर बन के एकदम खत्म हो जाती है. Imagine a few hours before the release भी, the actors out there promoting the film, making sure that it goes out there. So it's really really hard work. The best audience reaction that you received, Shahid, in your DMs or your WhatsApps, your friends, family, or any audience reaction that you received with any of the videos, any of the trailers that you received, that they saw, what did they feel? What is that one line or something you received from someone?
Excuse me, hello sir.
Well, I think what's very nice इस फिल्म में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि लोग कह रहे हैं कि यार they are loving to see me with Rashmika and with Kriti, and I think that's always a huge compliment to all of us कि वो decide नहीं कर पा रहे हैं who they are preferring and this and that, and all those kind of things are very nice because actually you want to have the best chemistry with your co-stars. In fact, people are talking about their chemistry also a lot, which was not expected, but it's great. Thank you guys. Any chemistry works. We're very happy to take it. So I just love the fact that people are enjoying seeing us three together, and I think for me that's the biggest compliment because ये film सबकी है, ये किसी एक इंसान की नहीं है. So to get love, that people feel that these people are together and they are fun to see and they remind us of our moments with our friends and stuff like that. So those are the best compliments.
And the best compliment that you received, Rashmika? From your close ones. You know, one or two lines you realize, if this person has liked it, yeah, that means it's really working.
Personally, I feel like the best compliment that I've gotten for Diya or Cocktail 2 is that it's very different from anything else that I've done so far.
Yeah.
And also, I think, like we've always said, it's a very virtual summer time kind of film, and that's exactly what, you know, some of my friends said. They're like, we're so excited for Cocktail 2 because it just feels like we've just been stimulated by watching such really intense kind of films, and suddenly when you give us
It's like a
something
breath
so
of fresh air.
refreshing,
Yeah.
then it's something that we were craving for, and you're giving us that. So that was one of the best compliments, I think.
I think we all love that. पहले तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार.
मेरे
You know, I think
कृति से भी तो पूछना उसको क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिले हैं.
वो तो बहुत सारे
उसको
कमेंट
5 मिनट पहले मैं
And in the middle of your conversation, he's turned to me. He's like, "Your hair is looking amazing today. What have you done?"
so
Shady लग
good.
रही है.
क्या उन्हें बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं आज इसके बाल.
Yeah, you also can, there are only 1 or 2 stars who can actually talk about their hair. बाकी सबके जब हमारी उम्र के हो जाते हैं तो then we don't have that hair also. We have to take it up. So Shahid, you also fall in that category of great hair. But yeah, जोरदार ताली हो जाए. I'm not such muted conversations. You know, I'm going to actually do a little Q&A also with all our media people. और उसके बाद हम इनके साथ एक गेम खेलेंगे इनके कैरेक्टर्स के साथ में, कुणाल के साथ में, अली के साथ में. Out and then we'll come back to you all also.
अंकल
अरे वो डायरेक्ट कर रहे
मैं ना आपको अपने साथ बॉम्बे लेके जाने वाला हूँ. आप जो स्ट्रिक्टली सबको सेट रखते हो ना, ये मैं बॉम्बे लेके जाने वाला हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे ज्ञान भारती में पढ़ा हूँ, तो मुझे ना मेरे स्कूल याद आ जाता है. सब 1 by 1 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. हाँ चलो, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट हैंड अप करो.
ओके.
कहाँ गए थे हम? मैं तो पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ आपसे, ज्यादा फेमिलियर मत होइए.
पाठशाला फिल्म.
I love you sir, I remember you every time.
चलिए, एक्चुअली दिस इज अनदर पार्ट. शायद बहुत स्ट्रेट फेस के साथ सेंसिटिव बोलता है एंड यू डोंट रियलाइज कि एक्चुअली जोक कर रहे हैं कि सीरियस है. चलो पहला सवाल. कैन वी हैव द माइक सर? आप माइक दे दो ना किसी को, आपके हाथ में है. अच्छा है ऑलरेडी. ओके यस, 1 सेकंड. अच्छा मैं करवा देंगे यार बस. अच्छा
चिपक के बैठ जाइए.
ठीक है. Hello all of you.
लेफ्ट.
Welcome to Delhi. Great to have you all here, of course, one day before your release. और शायद मैं भी वही कह रहा था इनसे कि कृति is actually looking amazing today when Salil was talking. So,
Thank you.
But Rashmika, my question is for you. What are you most?
अभी अच्छा जवाब नहीं मिलेगा, गलत टाइम है. टेरिबल टाइम.
Kriti is looking amazing today and
Yes.
Rashmika.
मैन टू मैन मैं बोल रहा हूँ ब्रो. कृति से कुछ पूछ ले.
इसलिए मैंने कहा शायद कृति and now of course Rashmika. But no, Rashmika, you know, of course, you're looking, of course, amazing. But my question is on what you are most excited for the audience, of course, to experience tomorrow when they watch the movie. और second, हमने Cocktail 1 के साथ भी ये देखा था कि the songs, you know, took on a whole new life of their own. Till now, of course, at weddings and parties and all. इस फिल्म में सबसे आपको कौन सा वो गाना लगता है is gonna, you know, take on a life of its own, which is top of your playlist right now? Because you have a great record with music also.
Okay, I don't remember the first questions, but the answer to the second question is, I feel like today the audience, like all of you, should tell us what is your favorite song, because for us this is our baby, so we love them all the same. And there are a lot of songs in the film that we probably haven't heard, or I don't know, but I haven't heard, so I'm very excited to watch it tonight.
तो कौन सा फेवरेट है आपका? माशुका के लिए हैंड रेज करो. There you have your direct voting.
Yeah.
So Mashuka.
For you also, audience to experience tomorrow. As you're saying, you're looking forward tonight to watch it as well. But what are you most excited for the audience to experience tomorrow?
I think for me the most exciting thing would be you get to see Ali, Kunal and Dia in their element, which means you're just going to see a lot of chemistry amongst these 3 characters and their friendship. And the film is one of those films which is important right now in terms of, like we said, it's a breath of fresh air, right? Like, I feel like it's a perfect time for a film like this to release, and I'm very curious. I need to see the film first to tell you what exactly, but from what we've shot, it's just too special, and you'll see it why.
Super. Next.
Hi. My question is to Kriti's now. Hi.
Ali is actually very different from me. I think मैं एक overthinker हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ. इंजीनियर हूँ तो लॉजिक बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है मेरे लिए हर चीज़ में. ये सर हिला रहा है क्योंकि 2 फिल्में कर चुका है. एंड एली एकदम ऑपोजिट है. वो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचती है. शी डजंट रियली केयर. शी इज़ इन द मोमेंट. आई थिंक जो बहुत रेयर क्वालिटी है. हम ज़्यादा फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हैं या पास्ट के बारे में सोचते हैं. वो आज की है. सो वो आज में ज़्यादा रहती है और वो बहुत ही लिबरेटेड और बहुत अनहिंज्ड है. क्या
अनहिंज्ड है? मैं सुन रहा हूँ सब तुझ जो बोल रही.
या एंड this is how she's very different from me. उसका moral compass भी बहुत ही अलग है मुझसे.
Is there any similarity between you and Ali?
I also feel that she's an empath at the core of her. I feel like that is something that I really connected because I feel वो जितना दिखाती है कि हाँ I don't care and I'm in my own world and all of that, she really is someone who genuinely cares and she gives a lot of love to everyone she meets. So I felt like the empathy part of her I kind of connected with.
Thank you so much.
I think Kritsu in real is like a beautiful mixture of Ali and Dia. Because, like, example, if we were on a holiday, someone was asking me this very recently. If they were like, who is like the character, you know, when you go on a holiday? Who is the one who plans? Who is the one who, you know, searches for the restaurants and stuff? I think Kritsu will be the one who's planning. You think
Bro,
so?
I'm very bad at planning.
You're very bad at planning because I feel like
She wants the guy to plan, so
Absolutely.
then she can complain about the food. Say, ये कहाँ ले आए?
Hey, we are
Not
in
at
a
all.
friends.
बिल्कुल.
But I do like
But you're an
people
empath, so
planning.
you'll feel bad for the guy. हाय बेचारे को बुरा लग
But
रहा होगा.
are you someone who likes to know what you're doing in the day?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be searching for where to go. अभी कहाँ खाना खाएं, भूख लग रही है, पता नहीं किधर जाना है. So that I like, if we know. I like to know at least what are the best places to, you know, to go and to have
Eat and
food to
stuff
eat.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
What do you think? Like about you? About
All I'm thinking right now is तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को इतनी अच्छी तरह भी नहीं जानते. शायद मैं तुम दोनों को बेहतर जानता हूँ.
But I like the fact that ये बहुत cute नाम आया, Kritsu.
She already calls her Kritsu और
I
मैं
love
भी इसको
it.
Kritsu Kritsu बोल रहा हूँ. और मैं जब भी Kritsu बोलता हूँ ना मेरे सामने कुछ एक क्रंची सा चिप्स का पैकेट आ जाता है. Kritsu चिप्स किसी को लॉन्च करने चाहिए. तू ही कर ले. Let's
you were
launch them
saying
tonight.
Kriti, does anybody else ever call you Kritsu?
Yesterday he was saying.
We'll
yeah,
for
my
tonight
close
it's the
people-
firecracker.
My close people, my team call me Kritsu. I think she
Kritsu.
also picked it up from there.
Oh really? I thought you
Yeah.
came
I
up with
call
it.
her Rashu, in fact.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since we're all laying out Shahid, what do they call you?
Shahid,
Shahu?
हाँ?
no,
Did they call you
Shahid
Shahu?
का nickname
नहीं मेरे को ऐसा कुछ
है.
मिला ही नहीं
अच्छा
ना.
अभी तक नहीं मिला है?
ए तू इधर आ.
No, I call him Shahid and कभी-कभी समझ नहीं आता कि शाहिद बहुत लंबा लग रहा है तो मैं SK बोल देती हूँ. But guys, give some.
How new and original.
give
Nobody's
some
called me either of those
nickname, no,
before.
for see it's SK and it's KS, so it's like that.
Where did this happen that I saw something and you said it's not SK, it's not
On some prompter.
something ना prompter यार.
इतनी अलग stories. We had not planned any of these. Next question किसका?
हाँ कोई कुछ fun पूछो यार. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब one day before release होना have fun यार. हाँ.
Lady on the left. Lady on the left.
Hi Shahid, hi Kriti, hi Rashmika. So if we talk about Cocktail 1, it already enjoys the cult status. तो आप तीनों के लिए Cocktail 2 join करने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा exciting part क्या था? And Shahid, this question is especially for you कि यार इतनी दो खूबसूरत लड़कियाँ आपके साथ हैं तो how was the experience?
You guys want to take the first one because the second one is
I
specially
find the
for me.
second one more interesting, so I
Especially
think maybe take the second one.
No, say something na about the first cocktail.
But just coming on, it comes with a legacy, obviously, right? So you're walking into that. हाँ, premise अलग होगा. But that one did so well. Lots of thoughts with it, lots of memories with it.
See, I feel आज के time में ना there are very few films that are celebrating friendship. You know, पहले ज़्यादा फिल्में होती थी ऐसी, and I think that I found that very refreshing. And I also felt that Cocktail 2 takes the energy and the vibe of Cocktail 1, but the story, the characters are completely different. And while it is so much fun and so modern and it will take you on a summer holiday, it says something which is very relevant to today's generation and how we perceive relationships and friendships. So that's what my takeaway was, and I was really excited to join the cast.
My special question: how it was working with both these beautiful. Twice you said beautiful. What did you say? Beautiful. So beautiful. Lucky me. No, had a great time. It's not, it's about working with, first of all, with professionals, working with good people, working with collaborative actors, working with talented people who will bring some value on the table and surprise you with what they can do. All these qualities both these girls have full on. They are in the prime of their career, doing so well. And what I actually really enjoyed on this film was that I saw zero competitiveness between these two girls. Zero. And I think that's the biggest compliment that can be given in such a
I think that
competitive
deserves a
field.
round of applause, yeah?
Seriously. कोई मान नहीं रहा है ना. So बेचर झूठे. No, but it's true actually. कभी-कभी मैं ज़्यादा competitive हो जाता हूँ. ये दोनों compete ही नहीं कर रही थी. They've been amazing. They've done this film with so much confidence. They're so self-assured. and they are so happy to come together and discover and not be competitive. It's really beautiful, and I love that about both of them.
Oh, lovely words, brother. I must say. Superb. Yeah, next.
Yeah, here, Karan.
हाँ बस
Mic already hangs.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Karan. Yeah.
पहले बाहर जा रही है.
तीनों आ
Sure. Hello everyone. And my question to Shahid is, although you have already answered, what is your favorite song in the movie, and how tough was the character? Here, in front.
एकदम सामने, third, second row.
Orange phone वाले. What a great choice of कला. जी बोलिए ना, क्या सवाल है आपको? फेवरेट
आपका
सॉन्ग?
फेवरेट सॉन्ग कौन सा था मूवी में और कितना टफ था ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करना?
Actually, I want to change the first. Since you dance so incredibly, which was a song that challenged you a little bit movement by dance? Does any dance challenge you at all? Or is all too easy for you?
No, it's not about easy, you know. Sometimes it's just about doing the right thing for the right song. And this, you know, Homie doesn't like anybody dancing in his songs. He's like, you know, people don't dance in real life. Why should you? तो थोड़ा सा बीच में उसने हमें नाचने दिया.
People don't dance like you.
Yeah. No,
People dance.
even like y'all. Normal people don't dance like any of y'all.
Yeah, see.
Please.
But my favorite song, right now I'm tripping on Bandhu 2.0 because that's the one that just came out, and I'm very happy that we got a chance to do a fun version of it. We didn't take it too seriously. Of course, Mashuka is everybody's favorite, so I'll say Tujhko because, like Rashmika, I also love all the songs in the album. So I'll say Tujhko because I think that's the heart of the film. Huh? I feel like the songs that are in the film and go with the story, like Mashuka, I think is what Ali and Kunal all. इसको वल्ला अच्छा लगता है यार, तो तू बोल देना वल्ला. वल्ला बोल, वल्ला बोल, वल्ला बोल.
Valla is also nice. So we'll say 111.
And also Instagram बहुत push करता है, depend करता है, right? Sometimes when the reels pick up हो जाती हैं, तो जो जिसके लिए ज़्यादा वो कर पाते हैं.
जब कॉकटेल 1 आई थी उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेज था तो शायद यहाँ पे
I found eventually. I mean, honestly, na, I have to wear specs now.
तो मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि सीक्वल जब बनता है एक्टर्स पे एक अलग ही प्रेशर रहता है कि जो फर्स्ट वाली मूवी थी उसका क्रेज अब तक है बरकरार, तो उसको कैसे आप लोग उस प्रेशर को कैसे आप फील कर रहे हो?
आप क्या करेंगी हमारी सिचुएशन?
और कलेक्शन जो है जो एडवांस बुकिंग की वो बहुत ही शानदार जा रही है, तो अब आगे जो है क्या होने वाला है? इसमें पेट में कुछ बटरफ्लाई उड़ रहे हैं आप तीनों के?
रश्मिका के तो है ऑलरेडी, बोला उन्होंने.
मैंने भी बोला.
गुड़गुड़ हो रही है.
मैंने भी बोला, हाँ. Butterfly.
Who's answering her question?
You have to at least.
She's asked you.
pressure है कि
आपने बोला एडवांस बुकिंग बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. Very happy to know. Thank you. प्रेशर के साथ मैंने आपसे पूछा आप कैसे हैंडल करती हैं प्रेशर? मैं ना ऑनेस्टली वो सब नहीं सोचता. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमने बनाया है, और एक तो पहले इस फिल्म के प्रोडक्शन हाउस ने 13-14 साल पहले ये फिल्म बनी थी, उसको एनकैश करने की कोशिश नहीं की. दैट्स ऑलवेज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन. और अगर आप बना रहे हैं तो कुछ बहुत सोच समझ कर बना रहे होंगे. सेकेंडली, जो ओरिजिनल फिल्म के डायरेक्टर थे होमी अराजानिया, वो बहुत कम फिल्में बनाते हैं. वो ज़्यादातर स्कूबा डाइविंग करते हैं. हाँ, वो मतलब उन्हें फिल्में बनाने में कोई इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. अभी भी मैं उनसे कह रहा था यार नेक्स्ट क्या बनाएगा. इसे आई डोंट टॉक टू मी, गो स्कूबा डाइविंग फॉर 6 months आई सी लाइक. सो ये होमी है. ओके, तो अगर वो अपनी ही फिल्म की लेगेसी आगे लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं तो ज़रूर कोई वजह होगी कि उन्हें लगा कि दिस हैज़ द पोटेंशियल आफ्टर सो मेनी ईयर्स. तीसरा, आई फेल्ट दैट यू नो हैविंग Kriti in the role of Ali, having her in the role of Diya, getting the opportunity to play Kunal, in a story which is written by a different writer, Love Ranjan, and in a film that I think is like everybody says it's a vibe sequel, but I feel this is a slightly more closer to home version of the original Cocktail. I think इस वाली में थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिंदुस्तान है, and I really love that about this one. So I felt that it was a fresh take, being made in a fresh manner. And I felt कि if people give it a real chance, because आजकल पहले ही cancel हो जाती हैं चीज़ें, you know. I feel if people give it a real chance, I think this is like they're saying it's a very happy film, और हम काफ़ी dark film में देख रहे हैं. And I was also happy to be a part of a film where you can just make people smile and laugh, and I felt it when I heard the film, and I felt it much more when I did the film. So those are my feelings regarding pressure.
Thank you. No, it's not moving. Don't worry. We'll go up outside and we'll have more fun. Right now, I'm going to do a little rapid fire. 3 questions each. Okay, listen. When I say rapid, matlab ekdam rapid answers. Okay. Rashmika will start with you. Not why? Why not? The butterflies. We're seeing the film in 2 hours.
Actually, I'm somewhere else.
Where? You've gone outside. Okay. Shahid will start with you. Okay. Immediate answers. If you are 2 closest friends, called you at
No.
2 a.m.
Yes, no.
Wait.
No. Yeah.
They said बस आजा.
Rapid. I just said.
रुक जा.
Rapid.
मेरा सवाल खत्म होने से पहले.
Just what?
अच्छा.
Okay, yeah.
दो क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स किसको बुलाएगा रात को 2 बजे? 2 बजे स्नैक्स वैक्स लाने हैं. दो
मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना, फिर से बोल.
दो क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स 2 a.m. फ्रेंड्स तेरे कौन है?
2 a.m. friends?
हाँ, if you had to
कोई
call it
नहीं.
out.
मैं सो रहा हूँ. Don't call me at 2 a.m.
ओके नेक्स्ट. कुणाल का बिगेस्ट रेड फ्लैग क्या है फिल्म में?
है ही नहीं. बहुत अच्छा लड़का है.
नहीं.
यही उसका रेड फ्लैग है.
अरे दोस्त-
यार ये बहुत ही अच्छा है.
ये सब
यही
अभी
उसका
फिल्म
रेड
देख के
फ्लैग.
पता चलेगा.
नहीं तो
कैसे
मैं
पता-
handle कर
एडवांस
लूंगा.
बता रहा हूँ. ओके रुको.
मैं हैंडल कर लूंगा.
If Kunal had one rule for friendship, what would it be?
Let's be friends.
Inverted commas वाला
मैं
friends.
इतनी जेनेरिक जवाब दूंगा कि फिल्म के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा.
अच्छा ठीक है. कृति, Ali,
He's moved on. He's like, ये कुछ नहीं
किसे
बोल
ये कुछ नहीं देने वाला. Next.
you are the planner of the group. I mean, are you the planner of the group, or the reason the plan gets derailed in the film? Are you the planner of the group? या तुम्हारी वजह,
Planner.
हाँ planner, या तुम्हारी वजह से सब चौपट हो जाता है?
ये मैं दोनों करती हूँ. प्लान भी करती हूँ, चौपट भी करती हूँ.
अरे वाह. If your friends wrote an Instagram caption about you, what would it be for Ali? जल्दी.
These are my friends. Ask them.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है.
That's my answer.
One your bio में क्या लिखा होगा?
Alley cat.
Ali cat. Because the cat had 9 lives या क्या?
Just because of the dress she's wearing.
Okay. Okay, what's the most Ali thing that Ali does in the film? Most Ali thing that Ali does in Cocktail 2. जो तुम एक चीज ऐसे करती हो.
कपड़े पहन के कौन सा होता है? वो
तो-
वाला डायलॉग से कोई बोल सकता है.
अच्छा मुझे लगा तुम कपड़े. Okay.
हमें माफ कर दीजिए फिल्म का रिलीज. Don't judge us by this one.
ट्रेलर में डायलॉग है यार. वो डायलॉग वही बोल
Well
सकता है.
done, well done. Last. Rashmika, ready now?
Very stressed.
Okay. इसमें क्या stress है? Have you seen the answers they are giving? There's no way that you can do worse.
We'll help you. We'll help you.
Diya.
We're all helping each
When
other.
life gets messy, what's your solution? Dance it out, scream or cry at the top of your voice?
Dance.
Dance?
Oh, as Diya, no?
Yeah, it's Diya. You can do it. Decide
what was
yourself
the
also.
second option?
Dance, cry, scream.
Scream.
Scream at the top of your voice? Okay.
Yeah.
दोस्त कितने important है दिया के लिए?
Dance and cry while screaming.
Or that.
चल तुम एक last answer कर दो. दोस्त कितने important है दिया के लिए?
She will do anything for her friends.
बस.
हाँ.
Love it.
Anything.
इतने अच्छे
तालियां,
लोग
ladies and
हैं हमारे इस
gentlemen.
फिल्म में. बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं.
हम लोग आगे पीछे से घूम रहे हैं. This is going to be exciting. But 19th is tomorrow. So don't forget. ये वीकेंड से पहले जाके आप बुकिंग कर लेना. We need to support cinema like this also. अभी इसके बाहर जाके we gonna have another function out there which is going to be fantastic with the crowd. So thanks so much for joining us and thank you guys for joining us. Yes, we've got a little beautiful function outside. You will see outside as we go. We're gonna rise up. It's outside. Questions और बाहर. चलो 2 question. अच्छा रुको. जाने से पहले last 2 questions. कौन है दो?
This here. Excuse me here.
2 questions
भाई साहब
and pictures.
Excuse
Wait 1
me.
sec.
Can you see me? Hello. On your right.
सेटल डाउन.
On our right.
जोर से बोलिए, आप दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं.
मैं खड़ा हूँ सर.
अच्छा हम on our left.
एक्सक्यूज मी.
हाँ right.
जी.
First of all, good evening and a warm welcome to Delhi. So my question is, the movie is really. What if you talk about it? What is the major underlining message you think this movie will carry, and you hope it carries?
कल की बात कल करते हैं भाई.
But
इतना सोचते नहीं हैं हम लोग. See, we made a film with all our heart. और बाकी ऑडियंस डिसाइड करेगी हम क्या बोलेंगे.
See,
Let the
actually
audience
है
decide.
मैसेज. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है.
हाँ,
बहुत
है.
ही रेलेवेंट है. आई फील आजकल जिस तरह से
बता
हम
मत देना.
रिलेशनशिप्स में हैं और जिस तरह के सवाल हमारे दिमाग में होते हैं कमिटमेंट को लेकर और बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती हैं ना आजकल. सिचुएशन शेप, ये शेप, वो शेप. सो आई थिंक देयर समथिंग वेरी रेलेवेंट एंड वेरी रूटेड एट द एंड ऑफ द फिल्म. पर ये तो आपको थिएटर में ही पता चलेगा. क्या मैसेज है वो नहीं बता सकते.
anything to add, Rashmika?
I will
एक
second both
second.
the answers.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
एक आखिरी सवाल. You all take a choice. Yeah, that lady in the front, right there.
Hi all. Yeah.
Hello.
Huge fan of 3 of you. So my question is, what was the main idea behind #trollaway of Bandhu 2.0?
कोई आइडिया नहीं था. वी जस्ट हैविंग फन विद इट. यू नो एक्चुअली हमने गाना 2 दिन पहले शूट किया रिलीज से और थॉट यही था कि पूरी फिल्म की एल्बम जो है वो ओरिजिनल रही है, कहीं भी इनफैक्ट I was very surprised because original album के गाने इतने अच्छे हैं. I was like maybe you know it's technically a sequel maybe, but you know they wanted to come up with fresh music. But ये गाना जो है, this is the heart of the film. This is what everybody loved about the film. And I feel कि it would have felt odd not to do it at all. हमने बहुत last minute किया और हमने ऐसे नहीं किया कि वो हम फिल्म में यूज़ कर रहे हैं या हमने पूरी मार्केटिंग में उसको एनकैश किया है. We just did it for fun. And so we just thought we'll make the video also fun, not take ourselves too seriously. And yeah, we just did it very spontaneously.
हमने वीडियो में आपका कन्वर्सेशन सुना तीनों का, उसमें सबसे ज्यादा आप बोल रहे हो कि ट्रोल हो जाएंगे ऐसे.
पर एंड में ये बोलता है डाल दे.
हाँ, डाल दे. Okay, thank you.
We've killed it.
Actually, I'll play it for you all also. But thank you guys. We're going to do a little photo op. हाँ, मैं खेल लूँगा सर.